Alright, so it's day 2 on our thrash here, and our goal today is actually get some color put on the body. So we're going to clear out the garage. We're going to set up some plastic and some tarps on the floor just to contain the overspray, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so we've been working all day. We got everything prepped and ready to go. Car's been, we wet sanded it one last time to make sure everything was smooth. We do have primer on all the bare body filler spots. We took a whole bunch of time here to mask off the garage because I'm not quite sure how much overspray there's going to be, but might as well just be safe. Now it's time to start applying some color. And the correct thing to do would be to lay down some high build primer and smooth everything out, make sure there's no scratches or anything in the surface. But that's not what we're going to do. We're going to go right to coloring it. And the plan all along has always been to use Plasti Dip. We have some future modifications in mind, and the Plasti Dip is going to be the best choice for us for now because I can peel it off later, do whatever fixes I have, and then I can always reapply it. I'm hoping that the Plasti Dip can go on thick enough to cover some of my damage in the finish. Doesn't really matter. We bought everything from dipyourcar.com. If you go over to their YouTube channel, you get a whole bunch of cool videos on how to apply this stuff. And I'm real satisfied with what I'm seeing here. The sprayer actually I picked up used, and it took me a half hour to clean it, but we've got that ready to go. And first thing we're going to do is lay down some gray. Gray is going to be the base coat to build up before we put on the color. And we'll show you the color here in a little bit. But we've got, like I said, everything's ready to go. The car was wiped down one last time. Got my respirator, got my mixer. Now it's really just time to start doing it. So we're going to get to it, and then we'll show you the end result. And there we have it. It's pink. It is actually 11 o'clock, and we've been painting now for 5.5 hours. But we've got it done. We've got 7 or 8 coats of Plasti Dip on there, which should make it nice and easy to peel later. Finish turned out pretty good. There's some areas that got a lot of bugs in it, because the later it got, the more buggy it got out here. But, I mean, what are we going to do? But I think we're going to call it for tonight. All we got to do now is just clean up this mess. We do have to move the car over so we can pull everything else back in. But I think what we'll do is we'll just clean it up, and then tomorrow, after it sits for a couple hours, we can start putting it back together. So that's all.